Hi, I'm Ollie from the Cocktail Studio. Welcome back, and today we're looking at the Aperol Spritz. We're going to start our Aperol Spritz with a simple formula. It's a formula of 3, 2, 1. That's 1 part soda water, is 15 mils. 2 parts Aperol, that's 30 mils. And then 3 parts Prosecco, that's 45 mils. So just measure out 30 and 15. Now there's the basis for our Aperol Spritz. That needs a quick stir. Stirring is important for the Aperol Spritz because it makes sure it's completely mixed through. Top it up with a little more ice and an orange wedge for garnish, and then a straw and a swizzle stick. And there you have the Aperol Spritz. Thanks so much. See you next time.